Krishna's only weapons in Vrindavan are his beauty and his flute. When he plays his flute, the peacocks begin to dance and the birds listen with rapt attention. The rivers stop flowing and embrace Krishna's lotus feet with the arms of their waves. These things are very mystical in Vrindavan. The gopis have a difficult relationship with Krishna's flute. It is always with him. They admire the flute's success, yet at the same time, they feel deeply jealous of her. When they hear Krishna's flute, its sound rushes into their hearts like a hurricane. The gopis know that the flute is Krishna's most powerful weapon, and in their playful yet intense love, they often wish they could disarm him. Therefore, one day during the holy festival, the young gopis decided to take advantage of the moment and steal the flute. Can you identify the Leela? I can tell you about it, or even better, you can see it for yourself.
भरी पिचकारी तोरे माथे पे मारे, ओ सखी तोरी बिंदिया की सुरंग बिगाड़े, ओ भरी पिचकारी तोरे माथे पे मारे, सखी तोरी बिंदिया की सुरंग बिगाड़े। कन्हैया 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 रंग तो पे डारे गो, सखी घूंघट काहे खोले,
कन्हैया रंग तो पे डारे गो, सखी घूंघट काहे खोले।
ठंडो पानी ते तुझको भिगा दे गो, सखी घूंघट काहे खोले। भरी पिचकारी तोरी आंखों पे मारे,
आंखों पे मारे हाजी आंखों पे मारे,
ओ सखी तोरी काजल की रेखा बिगाड़े,
रेखा बिगाड़े हाजी रेखा बिगाड़े।
हाँ भरी पिचकारी तोरी आंखों पे मारे, सखी तोरी काजल की रेखा बिगाड़े। हालत बुरी हालत बुरी हालत तोरी करा दे गो, सखी घूंघट काहे खोले,
बुरी हालत तोरी करा दे गो, सखी घूंघट काहे खोले।
कन्हैया रंग तो पे डारे गो, सखी घूंघट काहे खोले। रंग बरसे रंग बरसे रंग बरसे रंग बरसे रंग बरसे नाचे कृष्ण मुरारी, रंग बरसे रंग बरसे नाचे राधा प्यारी, रंग बरसे नाचे कृष्ण मुरारी, रंग बरसे नाचे राधा प्यारी, रंग बरसे
बरसे बरसे रंग बरसे 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 नयन मोरे जन सभी को तरसे, गाय तो मोहे मैया प्यारी, मोर के लग संग कृष्ण मुरारी। अपना रोको हरि ज्ञान को यही है मौको, बरसाने बरसन लागी रंगों की बौछार, ब्रज में आ गयो रे फिर से होली को त्योहार।
ढेरों सा है मेरो बांके बिहारी, है तीखी कटारी वृंदावन बिहारी। हाँ मारे जोर से पिचकारी मुरारी, रंग बरसे।
Krishna's flute mercilessly pierces our hearts with its sweet melody. It robs us of our will and forces us to fulfill His will. How much longer can we tolerate this?
I would give anything to see what Krishna would do without his flute.
But
how can we steal that flute from Krishna's strong arms? And what he will do without it? Is it right to put our beloved into sadness?
Oh, fortunate Radha, if you really want to bring the flute under your control, you must be very clever. Steal it so that this arrogant flute remains silent for a long time.
But how? He always keeps it with him. Even in the most unexpected moments, he never lets it go.
Radha, I know what to do. If you pretend to be very upset with Krishna and refuse to see him, he'll come to us feeling very sad, and then we'll take care of everything.
Good. We must discuss all the details properly so that no one hears us.
Krishna, Krishna, oh my friend, listen. Although the gopis are skilled singers, they cannot compare with your sweet flute playing. Out of jealousy, they are plotting to steal your flute. Quick, give me the flute for safekeeping. I'll sing loudly so they cannot come near me. With the power of my Brahmanical austerities, I swear I'll protect it.
My friend, your austerities are legendary. We've seen the mighty strength of Brahmanas during the holy festival, especially when they see a tray of sweets. But maybe we should find someone else?
What are you suggesting? That I cannot protect your flute?
Tell me, what will you do if the gopis just snatch it from your hands? How will you get it back?
I can't understand why you doubt me. Have I ever let you down?
Joyfully, a singing competition begins between Krishna and the gopis.
जाने नहीं बालमुआ जाने नहीं बालमुआ जाने नहीं बालमुआ पीर पराय पीर पराय पीर पराय.
How wonderful! Brilliant! My friend, I've never heard such singing in my life!
Madhumangal, your friend sings sweetly, but can he match Lalita in Kedar Rag? If Lalita sings better, then you, his closest advisor, must give us the flute.
If we lose, take the flute. But if you lose, give us Radha.
How dare you compare wood to gold?
O worshipful lady, are you saying Krishna's flute is like glass and your friend is gold?
If you want a fair bet, then wager something of equal value. Bet on your dear friend, not someone else.
Fine. As a generous Brahmana, I agree. I place my bet on Krishna. Let the singing begin. Hey, you are defeated.
Oh, half-educated Brahmin, why are you dancing like crazy? You think you have won? But even your dear friend was crying when Lalita sang.
He cried out of pity for you. I tell you, we won.
So-called Brahmin, Lalita's song melted even stone. We clearly won. Your friend is ours now.
Sangeeta, what are you saying? You can't bet on Krishna. He belongs to no one. Only he can decide if he wants to lose.
Madhu, looks like you've been defeated. Don't be proud of a false victory. If you don't return my flute, it may disappear along with you.
Krishna, I won! You should take dear beloved Sakhi Radha as your prize. From now on, she is yours, no matter anyone says.
Nonsense. We bet on my singing and I clearly won.
If you're going to talk like that, then fine. Take the flute, I kept it safe. Oh no! It must have jumped out of my arms and run off into the Madhava forest.
You're thieves! You stole my flute!
O associate of Madhumangal, your flute slipping out of your hand is no proof. But if you accuse us falsely, we'll take all your necklaces and Kaustubha jewel as a fine.
You just admitted it. You said the flute we wanted to steal.
All the witnesses are here.
You are all my enemies.
I know who did it. It was Sangeeta Vidya, goddess of music.
Liar? I was playing in the holy festival. If you falsely accuse others, you commit a great sin.
O killer of Agha, I don't have your flute. Maybe when you ran after Shankchura, it fell to the ground.
I saw Lalita wink at Radha. Maybe she took it.
I trust Brahmanas never lie. I must believe you. Radha has the flute. I will search her.
Oh, flawless Radha, Balarama gave you this jewel. Please accept it.
Ah, so it was true. When I ran after that demon, my flute, feeling neglected, fell to the ground. Now seeing Radha's attention on a jewel, the flute became jealous and fell again.
Oh friend, please take your glorious flute back.
वृंदावन की शोभा न्यारी, राधा संग झूमे गिरधारी, गोकुल के रजगण सितारों से चमके, धरती पे स्वर्ग जैसे आया उतर के, धरा इस क्षण को साचेगी, प्रेम में राधा नाचेगी, बांसुरी कृष्ण की बाजेगी, प्रेम में राधा नाचेगी। कृष्ण की बाजेगी, प्रेम में राधा नाचेगी, बांसुरी कृष्ण की बाजेगी, प्रेम